Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to turn on SafeSearch filter in Google Chrome. First thing first, launch the Chrome browser on your computer and make sure you're logged into your Google account. Now type google.com in the address bar and press enter. In the bottom right corner of the Google homepage, click Settings. Now from the pop-up menu, select Search Settings. At the top of the page, find SafeSearch filters and select Turn on SafeSearch. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page, then click Save button to apply changes. You've successfully turned on SafeSearch. It will help you filter out explicit or inappropriate content from your Google search results. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.